Okay, so today we are going to ask some questions to Aradhya Dixit. Aradhya Dixit, where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow.
Lucknow. In which class do you study?
I study in 5th class.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother every day.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you play football?
I do not play football.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Will you go to school tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to school tomorrow.
That's great. How many types of sentences in English?
There are 4 types of sentences in English.
Could you tell me their names, please?
Yes, sir. There are imperative sentences, declarative sentences, exclamative sentences, and interrogative sentences.
If you want to ask a question, which kind of sentence will you make?
Interrogative sentence.
We use question mark at the end of declarative sentences or interrogative sentences.
So interrogative sentences.
मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ.
I go to school.
मैं पार्क जाती हूँ.
I go to park.
सर मैं जिम जाती हूँ पता है.
I go to gym.
I go to gym. That's great. मैं मम्मी की हेल्प करती हूँ.
I help my mother.
बेटा वोल्स कितने होते हैं?
Yes, sir.
How many vowels are there?
There are 5 vowels.
Could you tell me their names, please?
Yes, sir. A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U. That's great. आप मुझे बताएं, what is the subject in a sentence?
Subject is the doer of the sentence.
Subject is the doer of the sentence. Predicate क्या काम आता है बेटा?
Predicate help us to know more about the subject.
Yes, predicate gives us more information about the subject, about the doer. What is noun is in a sentence?
Noun is a naming word.
What is pronoun in a sentence?
Pronoun is a replacing word.
What is verb in a sentence?
Verb is the action word.
What is the use of first form?
We use first form when we are saying something in present activity.
Present activities. Okay. When do we use second form of verb?
We use second form when we are telling something that we have done in past activities.
Past tense of time. Okay. I go to school yesterday सही है कि I went to school yesterday सही है?
Sir, I went to school yesterday.
Very good. Go की second form क्या होता है?
So went.
What is the second form for speak?
So spoke.
मैं खेल रही हूँ.
I'm playing.
मैं सो रही.
I'm sleeping.
मैं टीवी देख रही हूँ.
I'm watching TV.
मेरी मम्मी खाना बना रही है.
My mother is cooking food.
मेरे पापा ऑफिस जा रहे हैं.
My father is going to the office.
मेरा भाई होमवर्क कर रहा है.
My brother is doing his homework.
मैं खेल रही थी.
I was playing.
मैं सोच रही थी.
I was thinking.
मैं आपके बारे में सोच रही थी.
I was thinking about you.
मैं उस लड़की के बारे में सोच रही थी.
I was thinking about that girl.
That girl. Clapping वही सभी लोग clapping कीजिए प्लीज आराध्या के लिए. अगर आपने ये बोला होता I was thinking about this girl तो सही नहीं था. आपने बिल्कुल सही बोला बच्चे. I was thinking about that girl. You are speaking very well and I'm very happy. I'm very lucky to have you in my classes. Thank you so much, Aradhya Dixit. Proud of you, my daughter. Goodbye.
Thank you.